Next matter,
Yes, Lordship.
Wheeler John? Yes.
Ginny, she's in bereavement.
Oh,
She,
Okay.
Ginny is in bereavement. She's the additional public prosecutor.
okay, what happened?
Somebody explain, somebody.
Okay, okay, okay.
And Lordship, I have filed one IA
Mhm.
for additional affidavit for inclusion of the one documents, Lordship. This file is for the
Filed now, just now only? No cover, nothing? When was this filed?
yes, Lordship. Yesterday.
Just now,
Yes,
just now, is it?
Lordship. Yesterday we filed. Lordship.
Yesterday, so the registry received it, bring it as a file cover. We'll list the matter. Is there any 20th November? Okay. A submission is made on behalf of the learned additional AG.
AG.
Okay, AG, is it? Miss, okay, she's been made.
No, no, Ginny, who will appear here? Ginny. Okay, yes.
Okay,
Advocate General.
okay, on behalf of the learned
Okay,
AG.
I listen that
Who has
Ginny
paid
will
for-
appear, she's in bereavement.
Okay.
AG will appear.
On behalf of the learned AG for adjournment of the matter, since the AG is not able, his name, okay, then is not able to appear due to some personal problem. Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that they have also filed an IA interlocutory application in the said matter this morning. Okay, the registry to take note of it and put up both the matters on
20.
2011, 2022. This is additional affidavit, not
Yeah,
IA. I thought
exactly.
you said an IA.
Lordship, additional.
Had filed, okay, had filed an
My mistake,
additional
Lordship.
affidavit. Huh? It
I
didn't
think
matter.
got on record.
Okay.
National Security.
Lordship, just the inclusion of the one National Security Act. Lordship.
Okay, additional affidavit. A copy of the said additional affidavit may be duly submitted to the learned counsels for the petitioner during before the next date of listing. Okay, list on
20 November,
2011, 20.
Oblige, Lordship.
Fix another date.
On 20 November, madam.
On the submissions made by the learned counsels for both the parties, list on 2011,
Yes,
2020.
all right.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, the petitioner, my lord,
Before my elder brother is that I'm appearing on behalf of Standing Council for Education, Department of Education, Titagum. He's out of station.
No, this is at its motion stage, so we'll issue notice and then you can appear.
my lord,
Since there is a interim prayer,
yes, my lord,
Then can we list this matter on Friday? Then interim prayer can
Then
also be considered.
my lord, then in that case, my lord, let
Will
the
not
matter
pass
be
any
fixed on
order.
4, my lord, 4,
Pardon?
Monday,
Monday.
yes, on
Okay.
4th,
We'll make it your submission. Okay.
yes, madam.
Since, okay, Mr.
D. Kamrut,
D.
madam.
Kamrut, learned counsel for the petitioner is present and prayed that this matter be made listed on 4th 11, 2024. Accordingly, list on 4th 11.
My lord may also record that, my lord, due to the, this absence of the standing council, let the matter be fixed on 4th, my lord.
in that case, my lord, the instruction I have.
So don't put no,
Okay, my lord.
like that.
No
doesn't
issue, my
make
lord,
any
no issue.
difference, huh? Yes,
Nice.
yes.
Manot here, respondents are supposed to file a Philippine opposition, they have not filed yet.
Yes, Mr. M. Nabo, learned counsel for the petitioner is present while Mr.
Are for health.
Al Koif enters appearance on behalf of the Mr.
Titagum.
T. Tagum, standing counsel for the health department. The learned standing who has prayed that further time may be given for the standing council to file their counter affidavit. Then government, Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel for the state respondents have also prayed for time for filing of their counter affidavit.
My lord, interim peer may be
In
continued.
view of the above list, after after 3 weeks, interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged, most obliged.
Your Honor, this is a contempt petition for willfully disobeying this court's order, Your Honor. Your Honor, in the last order, para number 4, we have submitted that the petitioner has not received his salary for the last 3 months. And the respondent number 1 has blocked the salary of the petitioner. And in the last order as well, if you
Yes, release of the current salary of the petitioner.
Yes,
What's happening?
Lordship, I have been instructed after rejoining his place of posting. He has not joined, he is not performing his duty. That is the reason why his salary has been stopped.
no, you are,
No, that is the whole, this thing, that is what is the whole case about, isn't it?
Lordship,
This contempt, WPC.
yes, the WPC is for the transfer and
Which has
transfer.
been challenged,
Yes, yes,
isn't
Lord.
it?
and we have
So-
received an interim order in our favor, Your Honor.
So you have to pay and
Yes,
then we'll
Lordship,
have to look at,
interim orders after that he had
then
rejoined
we'll
his.
call for the personal appearance. You are
Lord-
calling for which?
Lordship, in that way, like I'll instructed him to release this pen, but because Lordship, since he is not performing his duty, only for that reason only, Lordship.
No, performing his duty or not.
Yeah.
If he's, let him get his pay, otherwise they will have to call for their personal appearance.
Lordship,
Because
that
there's
I'll-
already an order of this
Hmm.
court, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship.
While the matter is pending,
Hmm.
I think the last court's order, what was
Yes,
it?
Lord, there was-
Let's see the terms, the order, while the contempt. It says, and the release order, this is page 22, dated 0807, releasing the petitioner from and transferring the petitioner to UGPS
Yeah.
ALC line to Ting shall remain suspended till the next returnable date.
Yeah.
So you're saying that he has not joined in UPGS LTC, is it?
No, Lordship, what after the transfer order being is that he has rejoined back in his present place of posting. Then thereafter he is not performing his duty.
Because he's waiting, whether he's
You're not-
performing his of duty or not,
Yes, Lordship.
that is not an issue which is considered by this court. It says that release his pay, you release his pay first.
Mm.
What's happening? So now he's challenged his transfer posting, isn't it? Previously, he was posted at a place called B.
Mm.
Then he is transferred to A. Now he has challenged his transfer to A, isn't it, in the
No, no,
writ-
B, Your Honor.
Hmm.
So he was posted in NS.
Okay, he was, no, from B, supposing he was previously in B. Then he was transferred to a place called A.
Yes.
Okay.
Then he joined an A.
No, Lordship, he has not joined. After the matter being stated, again he had rejoined back in his BA.
So he's
B.
back in B.
B.
Yes,
his
Your Honor.
Former place.
Yeah.
Because the
And the interim order says that his being transferred to a place called A
Mm.
has been stayed.
Yeah.
So he is in B.
he
Okay.
has submitted his rejoining letter, but that has not been accepted as well. On the orders of respondent number 1, DDSA, because we spoke
Okay,
to the
so he has joined back in B, but his joining,
rejoining letter has not been accepted. That's why he has not
Okay.
performed his duty. Otherwise, Your Honor, if you
so,
look at
so the writ petition is about not accepting his joining report,
yes, Your Honor.
isn't it? So if that is the case, then this court had stayed the transfer order
Transfer order from
to B, to A.
to A, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, transfer order to A has been stayed. And then let's see the contempt is arising out of which the operative part of the order.
It's
Is it a 1908-2024 order?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Page 22, Lordship, the last.
Page 22, last
Yes,
paragraph, Your Honor.
yes.
In
So if the release order has been
Suspended.
stayed,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
release order now is stayed. Okay, so his transfer to this place has been suspended. So if the release order is suspended, that means he's not released.
Yeah,
If the release order.
yes, yes,
by
Your Honor.
the- So
That-
he is
that is
not
the
released.
implication here.
So he's still posted in B.
Yes, that's
Okay.
the implication, Your Honor.
So he's still in B.
Yes, Your Honor.
So
So-
joining report is also not required. He
No,
can
no,
start doing his
he
work.
submitted his rejoining letter because, so you wanna kindly come to page number 57, Your Honor.
Huh.
So this is after he has submitted his rejoining letter. Rejoining letter was submitted on, he submitted his rejoining letter again on, after the court's order, he submitted his rejoining letter. But on 28th August, Your Honor, the respondent number passed an order. It says, with reference to the above cited subject, I am to apprise you that you are transferred and posted at GUPS ALC line routing on regularization of your service, and accordingly you were released on 8 July. But you have seen that you have not joined even after release order issued. Subsequently, a show cause notice was issued for defying the government's order. Further, to make the matters worse, on contrary, you went to the court challenging transfer order issued without
So
joining.
isn't this order under challenge
This order is, no, Your Honor, we have not challenged.
subsequent to, is
This
it
we have, yes, Your Honor.
28th August?
This is after he submitted his rejoining letter. This is after the court.
Okay, 19th August is when this order, WPC, the last order. Then subsequent to that, this order has been made, is it?
Yes, Your Honor. So there is a clear case of contempt, Your Honor. So
Oh, because
despite
of
the
that
court's
you
order.
filed, huh?
So, and even, Your Honor, page number 14, there was a show cause noticed. So in pursuance to that, only his salary has been suspended.
Anyways, this court's order was on 26/9, okay.
Salary,
Shall
para
not
number
bar
5.
the respondent authorities to release the current salary of the petitioner. So that means you have to release, isn't it?
I instruct him lots of.
Instruct them, release.
Yeah.
And then since the transfer order has been stayed,
Yeah.
he has to be allowed to perform his duties. Okay, then we'll see whether the transfer order is correct or not. That WPC is not disposed yet.
Yeah.
Okay, in the meantime, let things go as normal. Let
Yes,
him get
I
his
instruct,
salary,
the
allow him to
Also-
perform his work.
Hmm.
And then if the transfer order is upheld in the WPC, then he has to go. It's as simple as that, isn't
yes,
it? Heard Mr.
Mukbang Curtain.
Anupam so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, along with Mr.
V Jamo.
V. Chamo, learned counsel for respondent number
1 and 2 lots.
1 and 2. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in spite of this court's order dated 26/09/2024, the salaries of the petitioner has not been released for since his joining report is not
Your Honor,
accepted.
rejoining letter also must may be accepted, Your Honor. It must be
Since his rejoining letter is not accepted by the respondent number 2, is it?
respondent number 1. DDC
Respondent
Inkyong.
number 1.
That would be on a 2 because he is the headmaster of that particular school.
So respondent number
Let's make it respondents,
Yes.
okay, accepted by the respondents. Yeah. The learned counsel for the respondent submits that the reason why his pay has not been released is because the petitioner has not performed any duty. And has not performed his duties, okay. Full stop. Having heard the submissions made by the learned counsels for both the parties, this court finds that in this court's order dated 26/09/2024, it is clearly mentioned that now within inverted commas, para 4 and para 5. Okay. In view of the above, this court finds that the respondents are to take steps according to this court's orders dated 26/09/2024. List. There
Your Honor, kindly, a clear order may be given to accept the rejoining letter of the petitioner, Your Honor, because they're not accepting it. That is becoming a major issue. A clear direction, Your Honor, to accept the rejoining letter. Because the non-performance of duties is because
Okay,
of-
it is also seen that by this court's order dated this court's order NWPC 339/2024 dated 19/08/2024. This court had stayed this court had suspended the release order dated 08/07/2024, releasing the petitioner from NSCBAV Moyang and transferring the petition to GUPS, ALC line to Ting till the next returnable date. In view of the above, this court finds the letter dated 28/08/2024 issued by the, now who's the deputy director? He's the respondent number one,
Yes.
issued by respondent number one.
the rejoining letter was submitted on 21st of August, Your Honor. Annexion number 15, page 54.
Yes, is to be stayed till the next returnable date. You file your counter regarding
Yes,
this,
Lordship, I'll
okay,
file.
show cause, okay, is to be stayed till the next date of listing. And the petitioner till then may be allowed, till then, and the rejoining report of the petitioner till then may be accepted by the respondents. Okay. The learned counsel for the respondents are to file their show cause reply
Mm.
by the next court date.
Yes.
List on,
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
okay, after 2 weeks on, let's fix a date. File your this thing, give your reasons, okay,
Yes.
then we can dispose of the contempt.
Lordship, that may be, actually, but it may be fixed on 18, Lordship,
20,
18 of November.
okay, 18.
Says like 12.
No, let him be ready with a show cause. I think this is a simple matter and
Yes,
contempt, this contempt can be disposed of, and then next day the writ petition can continue.
Yes, Lord.
Pending writ petition is there, okay, list on, so 18th will be ready?
Yes, Lordship.
18th, 11/20/24.
Deeply obliged.
Much obliged, Your Honor.
Yes. Service of notice complete. So we are still waiting for service report upon respondents number 4, 5, 6, and 7, is it?
My lord.
Last occasion, I was
You are for
directed to
respondents?
get instruction, Lordship, for the
Okay.
Deputy Commissioner Daparija.
Regarding paper publication, my lord, whether a paper publication.
Oh, yes,
is
new
done.
paper publication was done
Yes.
or not? Was it done?
Lordship, admittedly, it is not done, but then Lordship, here I have a submission to make, Lordship. The petitioner, he have not come with clean hand. He participated in the proceeding, Lordship, which he has hide the fact that he had participated in the proceeding, Lordship, interview proceeding. Lordship, I have given the this one.
So
Petitioner,
you
Lordship,
file it in a form of a counter affidavit.
Lordship can see, Lordship.
Oh,
At
that-
item number 11, in the first is the
11. Yes.
serial number 11, he
Yes,
is there,
yes.
Lordship. In the final, Lordship interview,
Hmm.
he could not make it.
Yes, so you had
He
participated.
participated and he have come saying that it has not been published,
Well,
Lordship.
in
This
that
cannot
case-
be at all,
In
Lordship.
that case, I have to take instruction from the my lord petitioner. my lord.
Okay,
So,
goodness, Mr.
El Kurdu, my lord.
El Kurdu, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Miss G.
G.
Teke, learned additional
Senior-
senior government advocate. Okay. The learned senior government advocate in terms of this order dated 22/10/2024 submits that she has received the necessary instructions wherein though no newspaper publication was made in terms of the advertisement dated 01/10/2024. However,
The petitioner have.
it appears that the petitioner has not come before this court with clean hands since in the notice dated 10 October 2024. The petitioner had participated in the walk-in interview. Okay.
Yes, Lordship,
And his name as shown as serial number 11.
11.
Receipt letter dated 10 October 2024 and the forwarding letter dated 29 October 2024 is to be made a part of this report and marked as X. The learned counsel for the petitioner prayed for time to get instructions in this matter.
My lord, if the state government send me one copy regarding the
Yes.
publication, my lord.
He's the petitioner which.
Prayed for
would have-
time to get instructions. Meanwhile, copy of the said letter dated 10 October 2024 is to be duly furnished to the learned counsel for the petitioner. List in the next week.
Next week, my lord. Okay.